Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to another episode of Breakfast with Disaster. Today we have a very special guest, Anna Brinkworth, is going to be joining us today. Everybody just please say hello to Anna. I know we can't see you right now. But yeah, Anna's been our certified Esporta operator, which we're going to explain here in just a moment. She's been with us for a few years, and we're going to kind of just explain the Esporta wash machine, benefits of it, and how it's different from a normal washing machine. But before we do that, let's just find out a little bit more about Anna. Anna, could you just tell us maybe a little bit about yourself and how long you've been here for?
Sure. I've been here a couple of years. I am retired, so the owner came to me and asked me if I wanted to learn about the Esporta wash system. So I became certified, went through a lot of training. And I continue to do training now, too.
So it's pretty extensive, the training?
Very extensive, and I love it. I love doing the laundry. I love being able to help customers who have been through fires or floods and being able to bring their soft contents back to them. Very, very clean. The Esporta machine is amazing. Mm-hmm. It is, as you can see, a commercial wash system, and it can get 95 to 98% of any type of damage that has been impacted by water, by soot, by smoke, by sewage, can get that clean, and it's amazing the before and after.
Yeah. One thing I found very interesting was leather goods, correct?
Yes. It also can do leather goods. It's you'll be amazed at the contents that it can clean. Yeah. I mean, I have cleaned rollerblades.
Really?
I have cleaned we have cleaned police uniforms. We just recently did a firefighter's uniform that was contaminated. Stuffed animals, bedding, you name it, we have cleaned it. And the other great thing about the Esporta machine is all of these soft contents that people may have wanted to put into a landfill. We're not putting it in a landfill. We're cleaning it. We're giving it back to the customer. So not only does the customer have the advantage of getting their soft contents back, but we are good to Mother Earth.
Yeah.
It's not going into a landfill.
Yeah, and it's probably the most rewarding when it's a sentimental item, such as like a child's teddy bear or something like that.
Absolutely. A lot of times we will get what's called rush items.
Okay.
And people need those soft contents back immediately.
Yeah.
And we did have a job where the little girl needed her stuffed animals back right away. And that machine did it. And that's just the one thing I'm going to say. You know, people go, "Oh, you do laundry." It's more than that.
Yeah.
You know, when people go through something like a fire or a flood, for them, it's so emotionally devastating.
Yeah.
And being able, so when their goods come in, I think of them as my goods.
Yeah.
Like, what if that happened to me?
Yeah.
And so you want to do the best for that customer.
You're giving the same level of care as you would yourself. And
correct.
Yeah.
Correct. So in that way, it's very rewarding when you see all the soft contents come in, and then after going through the Esporta, how beautiful they come out.
That's just amazing. And then think of the amount of money, like you were saying, not only for the earth, but also the amount of money that people are not going to have to spend to replace these items. So, and some cannot be replaced. Some are, like I said, sentimental, something that maybe you got while you were on a trip in Italy, or one of your kids' stuffed animals, something like that. So No, great, thank you. I appreciate that. Just a couple questions for you, just to kind of get an idea. What makes the Esporta wash system like more effective than your average? Like, let's say I went to Home Depot and bought like a brand new $2,000 washer or dryer.
Right. Well, you can just see by the looks of the machine why it's different.
Yeah.
But depending upon the damage to the the contents, there are different, the machine you can computer program. So if the damage is light, or if the damage is medium, heavy, sewage, you can program the Esporta to that.
Okay.
Whereas your washing machine at home does not do that.
Yeah.
And each program, depending upon how you're programming it, say it's a sewage program, it goes through 17 steps.
I was just about to ask you, that's pretty...
And not only that, it goes through 6 stages of different detergents.
Wow.
Yeah, so when you're at home, you load up your Tide or whatever, and a fabric softener or whatever, and that's it.
Yeah.
This goes through a number of steps, and it has different detergents to get say if it's smoke, to get that smell out.
Yeah.
So your machines at home wouldn't be able to do that.
Yeah. And they would be so diluted down by the time the other cycles are kicking in too. So that's interesting.
Yes.
Now, and there's certain cycles that require, or certain events that would require a longer wash.
Absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
So like a fire or something like that.
Fire, especially, sometimes clothes come in and they're covered in soot.
Yeah.
So another thing we do, if that is an issue, is we have a product called TKO.
Okay.
So you soak those for 15 to 30 minutes before you put them in the Esporta.
Okay.
And it's that water, after you soak them, is black.
Oh, yeah.
It's amazing.
Yeah.
And then you put them through the machine.
So you like pre-treat it?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Interesting. Great.
Yeah.
Now, just a few more questions here for you. Is there a certain time of year where you see like the busiest seasons for Esporta? Or is it, do you have...
It really isn't, it isn't a certain season. I mean, there...
The webcam went out?
The webcam has gone out, people.
Oh, no.
Was it live though?
It is. It's still going.
Oh.
Oh, okay. Are we on?
You're on, but you're not visually on.
Okay.
I
That's
think
all
I can
right.
fix that.
Yeah, Chris, how do you fix it?
Technical difficulties. We'll be
We'll
right
be
with
right
you.
back with you guys.
Yes.
Too much. Alright, we are having a little bit of technical difficulties today. Give me just, if I can't figure it out here in just a moment, we might call it a little early today. I don't know why we just shut off like that. Alright guys, well I appreciate you joining us today. I apologize, but we are having a little bit of technical difficulties with webcam, but I just did want to thank you guys for watching as much as you could. And the main reason I wanted to go over Esporta wash system today is because not a lot of people know that we offer this service. This could help people save thousands because they wouldn't go out and have to replace the items like I mentioned. But my conclusion is that you cannot put a price on sentimental items because they hold so much emotional value, which is why the Esporta washing machine could make a difference in someone's life. But I want to thank you everybody for watching, and I hope you were able to have some takeaways from it, and I will talk to you guys soon, okay?
We'll try it again next week.
Yeah. Go Bills.
Go Bills.
Go Bills!